Hi everyone, I'm Nancy and
Who, what now?
Anastasia, and welcome back to our treasure home. So today, we're going to do some...
Today I got pocket.
Today she's got a pocket. So, leftovers, and when I'm done with leftovers and everything, no. And then a kitchen gadget. We're going to see how well it works.
This is the kitchen gadget.
That's the kitchen gadget. That's not the kitchen gadget. Well, that's not the newest kitchen gadget. How about that?
This is the newest kitchen gadget.
It is? Oh, I forgot to put down my pizza.
We'll be right back, folks. We'll be back, folks.
We'll be right back.
We'll be right back after a quick entertainment.
After a quick entertainment?
Some people might be wondering how my experience with Little's Pet Shop has been going. It's been going pretty well, except for that episode where the gecko befriends the spider.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. Alright, so, what are you having for lunch today?
Pizza.
Pizza?
With
What
chicken and bacon.
With chicken and bacon.
You guys didn't know this, but while I was making my pizza, Grandma said this. You can put some bacon on the pizza if you want to. This is what I said. Sometimes I wonder about you.
Whoops, and there goes the phone. So, that's alright. This is her pizza. It's just a cheese pizza with a slice of bacon on it. And then her sides. So that's what she's having today. Mine is cooking. So, I don't think you see it in a new way.
They can't.
They can't?
I know they can. They can.
Yeah, they can. I have mushrooms, onions, and my 3-meat pizza is turkey, ground turkey, chicken, and bacon. Alright, watch out, baby.
You must stand up for this.
Do I have to stand up for this? So I took the rest of my ground turkey and I put an egg in there and I put a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of minced garlic, onion powder, chives, parsley, some basil, and some thyme. So kind of like a turkey meatball. So we're going to see how well this thing goes. I'm going to show y'all this is supposed to make the perfect meatball. Did it work? Kind of, sort of. See?
I thought that was an egg maker. I thought that was an egg separator.
No, this is, so this makes, actually, you know, it works pretty decent. Yes. They're small meatballs. I mean, they're not huge, but I guess you can make them as big as you want them to be. I thought it was just a fun, cool gadget. Something that I probably should put breadcrumbs in here to help pull it together too. But you just push it down, bring it up, and there's your meatball. Oh, you probably could do it better by hand. I just wanted to see what it would do. It's not perfectly round, but so there you go. Some are bigger than others, some are small. And then that way you don't have to get your hands dirty. Yeah, I probably need some breadcrumbs in this. But it was just a test to see Or you can make the meatballs and scoop it out. Make them the size you want. Still hands-free. You scoop it out. And there you go. Not too bad. I'll still just scoop it out. However, and make it that way. Alright. I need to sit down, please. Thank you. Are you being funny today? You are? Alright. I don't think both of us can sit on this chair, do you think?
I think we can.
You think we can? Oh, you're so precious.
You must call me Princess Precious.
Princess Precious. Is that your name for the day?
Yes.
It is? Wow. I think I got a new name for her all day long. Princess Precious. She's the boss.
Princess Precious.
Princess
Princess
Precious. There you go. I think that's a tongue twister. What do you think? It's not? Okay. So, well, I'm going to cook up the meatballs and everything, and I'll probably use them in a dish later on and just get them cooked up and everything. I'll pop them in the fridge, and you never know what I may cook up with them.
If you haven't liked, subscribe, and the bell for notifications, we'll see you next time on our treasure. Let me redo that. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, we'll see you next time on our treasure home. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, we'll see you next time on our treasure home. The video's over. Goodbye.
Goodbye. We don't say goodbye. We say see you later. So, what she said. If you haven't...
It's 6:59. Now it's 7 o'clock.
That's the timer on the phone. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. We'll see you next time on our treasure hunt. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Stay safe.
Video's over.
And we'll see you later.
Good night.